Welcome back to Amica Studio, your destination for architecture, home design ideas, and interior design inspiration.
Modern house design with privacy and natural integration. Introducing the Landing House. Secluded elegance in the desert. Nestled discreetly within the expansive terrain of the Mojave Desert, the Landing House stands as an architectural marvel, harmoniously blending modern design with the tranquility and privacy offered by its natural surroundings. Crafted by the Design and Development Office, Industry of All Nations, this remarkable abode seamlessly integrates into the breathtaking landscape of California's Joshua Tree National Park, offering a serene retreat amidst nature's embrace. Unveiling architecture within nature's embrace. As one ventures along a private path adorned by the stoic beauty of Joshua trees, the house remains discreetly concealed behind a masterfully crafted 9-foot-high horizontal wall. Upon passing through this unassuming entrance, the dwelling reveals itself through a thoughtfully designed breezeway. This pathway divides the space, presenting two distinct volumes, while an expansive courtyard unfolds ahead, framing the majestic expanse of the Mojave Desert in a tranquil plunge pool. The artful fusion of geometry and environment. Extending gracefully from the breezeway, meticulously crafted concrete platform extends toward the geometrically shaped plunge pool, seamlessly blending with the natural contours of the landscape. Adjacent to this aquatic oasis lies a courtyard that seamlessly extends the living space, bridging the gap between indoors and the vast outdoor canvas. Intimate sanctuaries within nature's embrace. Hidden discreetly away from the central courtyard, an intimate sculptural landing pad invites contemplation and solace. Adorned with yoga mats and encased in the resilient strength of weathered solid steel, this secluded spot, firmly rooted in the desert soil, serves as an intimate sanctuary, inviting inhabitants to connect intimately with the natural environment. Seamless integration of indoor-outdoor living. The nucleus of the house, the social area, embodies modern living at its finest. Its expansive floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors effortlessly merge the living room, kitchen, and workspace with the outdoor panorama, seamlessly transitioning into the inviting embrace of the swimming pool. Tailored designs echoing nature's symphony. Within the private sanctuaries of the bedrooms, bespoke design elements echo nature's rhythm. One suite boasts a distinctive round window, harmonized by the warmth of cedar wall paneling, while the other showcases slightly polished concrete floors adorned with refined white oak furniture, a symphony of design complementing the home's overarching aesthetic. Luxurious retreats framed by nature. The bathroom serves as a haven of luxury and serenity, with tiled walls and a soaring vertical window framing the desert landscape. This intimate space encapsulates the essence of tranquility, blending natural splendor with modern comfort. A fusion of modernity and natural serenity. In its intricate details and thoughtful design, the landing house emerges as a testament to architectural finesse, seamlessly marrying privacy, luxury, and the untamed beauty of the Mojave Desert. Its deliberate integration with the environment creates a haven where contemporary living converges harmoniously with the captivating landscape, inviting inhabitants to revel in the serenity of their surroundings while indulging in modern comforts.